guys, it's me, Oishi. Welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been? Sorry I haven't really been posting that much. It just takes forever to make sewing videos and I don't really know what kind of tutorial I should make next. But yeah, I've been doing other things. I'm making little jewelry like this one and I'm posting on TikTok, so follow me there if you guys want. Yeah, it's like really fun too. I'm just like addicted to that app. I just scroll for hours and hours. So yeah, today I'm going to be reviewing this curler by Duvolle. It's this one right here. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'm going to be doing my hair and yeah. Also, I put on eyelashes today. It feels really weird. Like I'm not used to this. Like humongous. And then when I take it off, it feels like my eyes are just naked. But yeah, I don't know. This is just like for fun. I cut them in half. Okay, so I just brushed my hair and I'm going to tie up half in a ponytail. Okay, so I just brushed my hair and now I'm going to start taking little sections. Oh, it also comes with a glove so you don't burn yourself. So let's see, I'm not like the best at this. Oh, it's not on. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on and now let's do it. I'm just gonna release it once I feel like it's getting a little hot. Okay, we're gonna let it go now. I'm gonna leave it on a little longer next time. Is it working? Oh yeah. Oh shoot, I forgot to put on the heat protectant spray, so I'm gonna go do that. Okay, so I have this thing right here by L'Oreal. I'm just gonna go spray it. Okay, ready for everything else now. So as always, I have a coupon code for these products from the Duvolle website. I'll have the exact coupon on the screen right here. So right off the bat, one thing that I don't exactly like about this is that it doesn't have like the clip. Usually my other straighteners have that, which make it much easier. Like I don't have to wear a glove for those. I just it's like I can easily wrap it. But this is really good for the price. Is that too much hair? Okay. Okay, we have like about 1/4 of the hair done. That was really fast. I'm gonna go do this side now. So for this side, I wear the glove on this hand. Just makes it easier to, so I will do it like this. Okay guys, I almost burned myself, so yeah, be careful with this. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. I'm gonna do the rest of my head now. So, my hair is already a bit curly. So do any of you guys have any New Year's resolution? For me, I think I just want to like create more. That's always like my resolution. Just like don't want to be lazy. Do like a lot of things. Oh, I burned myself multiple times doing this, but I'm done. What do you guys think? really like it. It was pretty easy to use. You just have to be careful that you don't burn yourself. Yeah. I think I'll go back in and do a couple pieces like this one right here. I do about like 10 seconds for each little strand. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys a little hairstyle. Very cutesy hairstyle. Okay, so what you need is a little tie, a little hair tie, and then I took a long piece of organza and I sewed all across the top edges to make like a big ribbon. You can make this as wide or as thin as you want. You can just like experiment, but what I do is I put this through the hair tie, and then when it reaches the middle, I make a big bow. So you just tie it. And then make the bow. See? Just like that. And now you just put your hair up, just like a few strands. And then you use the hair tie and you tie it. And then you just fix the bow so it sits right. This is how it looks. This is how it looks from the back. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys later.